Becca?
The what?
The Grampian Eye it's called.
Is it?
Yeah.
Woo!
The big wheel, Grampian Eye.
Is that a nice view of the water?
That'll be nice but scary because it's quite high. At least we're in a big cage. Get a good view of the park over here, guys. Look at the, so over there you've got Dead Man's Drop, got the Galleon, got a couple of kids rides and new go-karts down there, so look quite good actually. You've got the new Apple coaster in the sky, it used to be on the ground, that used to be the Pinfari looping coaster, Looping Star.
Oh, look at the go-karts look!
Yeah, the go-karts look amazing. We're just thought we'll take it easy, get a nice view for our first ride of the day, guys. You enjoying it so far, Becca?
I was going to open the door and say, off you go.
Not when it's moving. That's the sea and the beach over there. It's a good amusement park, this. In my opinion, it's better than M&D's. This is a nice wee gentle ride, guys.